Race fans, Go-Karts, Go-Arts is coming up, and I'm Randall King here with DJ Sound Solutions, hot DJ Jason Carpenter. Welcome.
Well, thank you.
You are the entertainment, I'm told.
That's right, I am. I actually will be playing the music during the race, before the race, after the race. I control Mark Fauser's microphone, so
that is a powerful position.
It is. It's very powerful, you know. So when he talks,
no
too
one
much,
puts Mark in the corner.
That's right. Well, I'm going to, doggone it. Especially if he races against me, I'm putting him in the corner.
So you're actually going to step away from the music and race once?
Yep. One time they let me get out there and race, and then sometimes after the race I get with all the people, the mechanics and stuff, and we play a little bumping, like a little go-kart, bumper cars.
Well, I intended to race more than once last year, but it didn't work out that way. One heat, I was done.
I remember that.
Yeah, I think lots of people do, because out of 6 racers, I came in number 6. But we're not here to talk about that. Great event. Great
Awesome
event to be back for.
Awesome event. And it's a great cause. It's for the kids. And you should come out, attend if you're not, get in the race with your business or your company. It's a great thing here in Grant County and also right here in Marion.
It's a fun night for the whole family. There's all kinds of things there, so don't miss it. Memorial Day weekend, Jason Carpenter will be there with the tunes. So you need to be there too. Go-Karts, Go-Arts.